Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's a good evening. Please, we have this recipe. We are going to prepare our bread. We'll be mixing those eggs and toast our bread. This is another way also of toasting bread. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning, please, we really appreciate for the love. Continue supporting the girls so that the channel grows. So let's prepare our toast bread. We are going to use eggs, there is milk, bread. So we'll be pairing our toast bread with milk tea. These are the ingredients which we are going to use. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. So let's organize. We're going to prepare our toast bread. Prepare our tea. We have here some ingredients: cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper. We have tea leaves. There is green cardamom and cloves. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our milk tea. So we have pinch of salt, sugar. This is ginger. Cooking. Our teas, they are cooking well. So our toasted bread is there ready. We are going to enjoy our tea with toasted bread. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. So tea is ready. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Let's grab our tea. This is our dinner. It's what we are going to have for dinner, please. See you in the next video. Bye bye. This is our toasted bread plus our milk tea. Let's enjoy our dinner.